Ever wonder why you keep applying to freelance writing jobs, but still aren't landing consistent, high-paying clients? It's not your talent. It's not your skills holding you back. It's these 3 hidden mistakes you don't even realize you're making. Fix them with the tips I'm about to share, and watch everything change. Before we dive in, let me make this clear. This channel, Get Paid to Write with Dan Jean, shows you how to land freelance writing jobs fast, by tapping into overlooked, high-demand opportunities right in your own backyard. Each week, I share tips and real strategies to help you get paying clients, without wasting months on job boards or cold pitches. So, please subscribe so you never miss out. Now, let's dive in. You see, almost every freelance writer, including you, is guilty of at least one of these 3 mistakes. And here's the problem: they rob you of clients who actually value your work, the freedom you dream of, and the chance to fully embrace your calling as a writer. I've been a freelance writer for over 10 years, working with clients all over the world. And let me tell you this, the landscape has completely changed. At first, finding jobs was easy. Then the market got flooded with writers. Now AI is wiping out low-paying, and even high-paying, gigs left and right. You can feel the frustration everywhere that writers are struggling to get consistent work. The truth is, when tough times hit, you have to adopt new, creative ways to get yourself out there, and reclaim the clients you want. But most writers don't. They still make the same mistakes over and over again. The first mistake I see most freelance writers make is searching and competing for the exact same jobs online. The last time I checked Google's keyword tool, the number of people searching for freelance writing jobs was staggering. Thousands of writers, all likely seeing the same gigs and applying to the same positions. Here's the problem: if you and another writer have similar credentials, the client will probably hire the person who offered a lower rate or proves their worth. That's why searching for jobs online has become so competitive. The solution is to niche down. So, start by assessing your income goals, your hobbies, your academic background, your passions and interests, your work experience, and even your faith. Then search specifically for jobs that match those areas. For example, if you love gardening, search freelance writing jobs for gardening. If you're into coding, search writing jobs for coders. If you are passionate about music, search freelance writing jobs for musicians. If you are a Christian, search Christian freelance writing jobs. When you do this, you're no longer competing with thousands of writers. The pool becomes narrower, letting you charge premium rates and land jobs faster. Think of it like this: if 1,000 people rush into Walmart to buy apples, the shelves will be empty before you even get there. But if you're looking for a rare type of apple, and it's in stock, it's all yours, because not everyone is searching for the same thing. Here's your homework assignment. I want you to jot down your hobbies, academic background, passions, interests, and areas of experience. Then use those as search terms like I just showed you, and start pitching relentlessly. You'll begin winning the jobs you actually want, without getting lost in the sea of competition. The second mistake I see most writers make is giving up too soon. Freelance writing is like planting seeds. Every pitch is a seed, and every follow-up waters it. Over time, if you stay consistent, you'll see a harvest. The mistake most writers make is that they quit after a few rejections, or worse, they quit when AI replaces a great client. The solution is to expand your portfolio. For example, you can branch into case studies, interviews, speeches, or industry reports, and so on. Remember, AI can't replace writing that requires real human voices and stories. Think of each pitch as a small investment. Every follow-up grows your potential. Even if a major client leaves, you can brush up your skills and expand into other markets. The key is to get out of that scarcity mindset and stay consistent. Companies are constantly hiring writers, and hidden opportunities are everywhere. Keep planting seeds, and soon, the clients and income will come. Here's your homework assignment. Please identify one new writing niche you can explore, something AI can't easily replicate. Before we jump to the next point, I'd love your thoughts. How do you feel about AI taking over writing jobs? Have you personally experienced it, or do you know someone who has? Drop your experience in the comments so we can learn from and encourage each other. Now, let's move on. The third mistake I see most writers make is staying in their comfort zone, sticking to blog posts, SEO articles, and content mills. They cling to what they know because it feels safe. Most writers also rely only on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. The problem is that AI and low-cost platforms are eating those jobs alive. The writers who thrive are the ones willing to look beyond the obvious and take bold steps. The solution is to adapt and explore overlooked niches, like writing wedding speeches, birthday toasts, or eulogies. Local business content, menus, ads, and newsletters. Faith-based content, personal stories, scripts, and more. These jobs aren't glamorous, but they're deeply meaningful, enjoyable, and AI-proof, because they require real human connection. I almost quit writing myself, until I discovered these overlooked jobs. Suddenly, I was landing projects paying $200, $500, even $1,000 per week, all because hardly anyone else was competing for them. Now here's the best part. You don't have to figure it out alone. In the description and pinned comment below, you can download my free guide that reveals 20 overlooked but high-paying writing jobs most writers don't even know exist, including many I just mentioned. These jobs are fast to land, pay well, and give you real momentum, so you can start earning consistently while building a fulfilling, sustainable freelance career. But don't wait. The opportunities are out there, but only for writers willing to step out of their comfort zone and claim them. So, go grab the guide and watch your freelance writing career take off. And hey, if nothing else, at least you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you're smarter than 1,000 other writers rushing for the same apples, and hey, you'll actually eat instead of going home hungry.